We all know and we all believe in love, support of love, the value of beloved ones. We all know. But what if when they just gave us the silent goodbye? That was very heartbreaking, painful, and sometimes devastated as well. So today, my topic is the silent goodbye. I hope you people will like it. So here is the this is a story I carry with me. This is a story I carry with me, one I seldom share. It begins on a morning bright and fair. I had just turned 20. I had just turned 20, full of desires and dreams. When I got the call, when I got the call that would set my world on fire. He has gone. He has gone, they said. Your father is no more. He has gone, they said. Your father is no more. The words felt like thunder, shaking the floor. How could it be true? How could he be gone? The man who had taught me, the man who had taught me to stay strong. He wasn't just my father, he was my best friend. He was my best friend, the one who believed in me right to the end. Though every mistake, every fall, every tear, he was the one who wiped them away and called every fear. But now, but now the silence was all that remained. His voice, his laughter, now just a stain. On memories fading like a distant sound, a treasure buried deep underground. A treasure buried deep underground. I remember the last time, I remembered the last time I saw his face sitting in a hospital bed full of grace. He smiled though weak. He whispered to me. He smiled though weak. He whispered to me, live, my child, live, and always be free. Live, my child, live, and always be free. I didn't know. I didn't know then it would be the last I would hear. I didn't know then it would be the last I would hear. His words, his presence slowly disappear. Slowly disappear. And in the years that followed, and in the years that followed, I tried to stay strong. As you people seeing me, I tried to stay strong, but there was a quiet pain, a place I didn't belong. I didn't realize how much he had shaped me, who I would be, as we all are. I didn't realize how much he had shaped who I would be until he was gone and I couldn't see. Most of us just never going to feel what is the presence of the Father. Until he was gone and I couldn't see the hands that held me. The hands that held me when life felt too hard. The arms that comforted me in the darkest of yards. The arms that comforted me in the darkest of yards. Now I stand here. Now I stand here, and thanks to you all. Now I stand here telling you my story. Now I stand here telling you my story, not for pity, but to share my glory. Not for pity, to share my glory of how love doesn't end with the goodbye, of how love doesn't end with the goodbye. It is in every tear, every laugh, every sigh. I carry him with me. Maybe he's here and there, my father. I carry him with me in every step I take. I carry him with me in every step I take, in every decision, in every mistake. And when life feels heavy and I am feeling alone, I know that his spirit will always guide me home, will always guide me home. So, to anyone who lost someone they love, so to anyone who lost someone they love, know that they are never truly gone above. They live in your heart, as my father always going to stay in my heart. They live in your heart in the stories you tell. They live in your heart in the stories you tell, in the quiet moment where all memories dwell. Thank you.